Exness, or HFM? If you could choose only one broker to start trading with, which one would it be?
This is a question many new traders face when entering the financial markets.
Choosing the wrong broker can lead to higher trading costs, a less than ideal trading experience, or unnecessary complications when it comes to deposits and withdrawals. So between Exness and HFM, which one is the better fit for you? In today's video, we're going to compare Exness and HFM based on 5 key factors: reputation,
Trading costs, leverage, trading platforms, and deposit and withdrawal services. Let's start with reputation. Exness was founded in 2008 and has grown into one of the largest Forex brokers in the world by trading volume.
HFM, formerly known as HotForex, was established in 2010 and has also built a strong
reputation within the online trading industry. Both brokers hold international regulatory licenses and serve clients across multiple countries worldwide. In terms of credibility, both Exness and HFM have proven themselves through many years of operation. Next,
let's talk about trading costs. Exness is known for its competitive spreads and is a popular choice among short-term and active traders. This is one of the reasons it has become such a well-known name in the Forex community. Meanwhile, HFM offers a variety of account types designed to accommodate different trading styles and account sizes. If you trade frequently and want to minimize trading costs, Exness may have the advantage. If you prefer having more account options available,
HFM is definitely worth considering. The third factor is leverage. Exness is widely recognized for offering very high leverage to eligible clients, giving traders greater flexibility in managing their trading capital. HFM also offers attractive leverage levels,
but generally follows a more balanced approach between opportunity and risk management. If maximizing capital efficiency is important to you, Exness may be the better choice.
If you prefer a more conservative approach to risk management, HFM could be a better fit. Next, let's discuss trading platforms. Both brokers support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most popular trading platforms in the industry. However, HFM has an advantage when it comes to educational resources and market analysis tools.
Exness, on the other hand, focuses on delivering a simple, intuitive,
and user-friendly trading experience, especially for beginners. The final factor is deposits and withdrawals. This is widely considered one of Exness's strongest advantages.
Many traders praise Exness for its fast and efficient deposit and withdrawal processing. HFM also supports a variety of payment methods, although processing times may vary depending on the payment option used. If fast deposits and withdrawals are one of your top priorities, Exness is often considered the stronger choice. So which broker should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for simplicity,
competitive trading costs, flexible leverage, and fast withdrawals,
Exness may be the right broker for you. If you want more trading tools, a wider selection of account types, and additional educational resources, HFM is certainly worth considering. To summarize,
if you value simplicity and convenience, Exness may be the better fit. If you value a broader ecosystem of tools and account options, HFM deserves serious consideration. The most important thing to remember is that there is no broker that is perfect for everyone.
There is only the broker that best matches your trading goals and personal style. If you've already decided which broker is right for you,
you'll find the official registration links in the video description below.
By signing up through those links, you may gain access to exclusive community benefits, including reduced trading costs, the latest broker promotions, and step-by-step guides for account registration, verification, deposits, and withdrawals. Using the official links also helps protect you from fraudulent websites and ensures that you
receive the full support available throughout your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future broker reviews and trading education content. And now, I'd like to hear from you. Are you currently using Exness or HFM?
And which broker has provided a better experience for you? Leave a comment below and join the discussion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.